I just wanted to show y'all a few of my strictly amateur polish job on these rocks. A lot of these rocks are nothing special. Just some of them are just plain rocks. Some of them are Crowley Ridge. The plain ones I got myself off an old railroad track on outside of New Orleans. But we'll take a look at a few of them, see what y'all think. It might just be, I don't know, could be chalcedony. This one too. It's got a little bit of a pattern in it. Hard to see, but it's got a little pattern in it. Yeah, I don't know. Looks like petrified wood, but I'm not sure. Has some little bitty one, nice pattern on it. This one here. Looks like water lines, maybe. Some kind of agate. I don't know. Could be water lines or sediment lines. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not a rock. Strictly an amateur. But I like the way they look. Some pattern to it. A little chip in it, but it's got a decent pattern in there. Some kind of agate. I don't know. This is white rocks. They're polished pretty good though. I don't know what this is. It's a weird looking. Got some kind of pattern in it, but I can't tell what it is. Another little agate. I don't know. Cool. Regular rock, I think. This one's got a little bit of lines in it. Oh, shit. Cool rock. This is just a regular rock, but it looks good polished. Same here, I think. I think all these are just regular rocks, but they turn out pretty good. I don't know. They say it look like coral or bone or something. I don't know. Look like maybe coral. Some more regular stuff I think just comes out really nice. It looks like, yeah, it's got a crystal cavity in it. Pretty cool looking little rock for a little fella. It's got a nice pattern. Little one. These are just red rocks. They're pretty cool though. I like red's my favorite one, so I have a lot of these. I don't know. They got some like moss or something in them. I don't know. Could be. Maybe not. Not a regular rock, I think, but looks cool. I think these are regular too. I don't know. They polish nice though. Probably a regular rock. I don't know. This cool pattern. This stuff here, I don't know. All kind of spider web looking stuff in there. I don't know what it is, but I guess if I put it in the camera, it might help. But it's pretty nice. I like it. A couple more regular rocks, I think. I don't know. Couple more cool pattern on them. think these are Crowley Ridge. That's the only thing I didn't get from the railroad tracks. This was in the collection. I had bought a house and they had a bunch of machinery and different rocks in there, and he had a bunch of Crowley Ridge. He had thousands of Crowley Ridge rocks. I guess he went to Arkansas somewhere and got them himself. But he's got thousands of Crowley Ridge. I still got most of them. But they are nice when they're polished. Not sure if that's Crowley Ridge or not. It's got a little something in it. You see, they have a nice pattern in them. More Crowley Ridge. It doesn't got a little crystal cavity in it. Both of them kind of. This one got more pattern to it than the other one. Nice little rocks. I don't know if that's wood or not. It could be petrified. I think that is petrified wood. I'm not sure. I don't know. Regular rock. These two are just regular rocks, but they come out nice. I'm not selling to real collectors. They just like stuff that looks nice. In Louisiana and Mississippi, they like nice stuff, but they'll buy ones that just look good too. And that's it for this lot. I got some more coming up. Watch it.